guys, good day again. I'm back again for our another tutorial. This will about the EC2. So we gonna install our Vesta Control Panel on Amazon EC2 instances using the 3 tier. So this is will only basic installation for Vesta Control Panel on EC2 instances. So you are ready now, so let's start. So first you need to create an instances. So you're gonna launch a new instances for here, and then select your instances AMI image or the OS you want to install it. So I'm choosing Ubuntu, so that all the Ubuntu on AMI you can see. So okay, pre-tier eligible, so we're gonna use this one. So you are using Ubuntu 18, and then just select. Okay, on the instances type we gonna choose our micro T3 micro for the free tier. So and then for the configuration of instances, so number of instances 1. So if you want in production, much better you have if you use the free tier and you want more, you can use the auto scaling group. So and then for the network, just leave it for that default, and for T2 and T3 just disable this one so that you will not charge in future. Okay, so gonna add the storage. So I put the max on 30, so I have free 30 gig on EBS. If you want to enable the encryption also, you can enable it, so I don't want now. So for our tags, okay, so name is Vestacp. Okay, for our security group, okay, security group Vestacp. So this security this will be your port forwarding. So this is a simple way to port forward your EC2 if you have a web server. So I will choose SSH for the installations. Okay, so this is our review. Okay, we have Ubuntu for our AMI image, T2 micro with 2 BPU and 1 gig RAM. Okay, so click on launch instances, and then for the key pair, from the key pair you need to create a key pair. So Vesta Panel key you can download. So I do not choose existing. Okay, we don't have. Okay, then download your key pair. Just save it on your drive because it's that very important if you access your instances using footy or another terminal. And then we're gonna wait to until our instances will be okay. Okay, and then after we waiting, so we gonna ready our private key. So you need to go to your putty and then click the putty gen. After that you need to click on the load, and then find the downloaded fem key, so that Okay, that one. Okay, and after that you need to click the save. So from pem key they will convert to private key, so then save, and then gonna save from pem key to private key, and then save again. So now we have successfully converted our security key to private key, so from pem to private key using the FootyGen. So this one we're gonna wait to be okay so that we can connect to our instances. So okay, so this will be our public IP, or and then also you can use this uh, public DNS. Okay, so we are still waiting until the status will be okay. So I have to retire terminated here. Let's see if you want to check on the screenshot what will be happen. I think it's ready to make a login. So okay, so our instance is running, but still I just want to wait if the status is okay, but I think it's okay. I think they have a little bit delay on okay, so that's right, already check now, so it means our web server is our Ubuntu server is working well and running. Okay, just click the connect, so you can copy this one, or you can use the IP address. So I will just the public DNS. You can copy this one or this one to connect using Footy. So game, just open your Footy, then paste your IP or the public DNS on your EC2, and then go to your SSH, then click on the authentication. From here, browse your generated private key, and then go to your data. Then if you see here your username will be Ubuntu. Okay, just copy the Ubuntu or type the Ubuntu on the auto login username. So from SSH, go to authentication, browse the generated key, and then go to on under connection, go to the data and auto login username, type the Ubuntu, and then on the session you can your host name or the IP address of your EC2 server. Okay, just click on open and then click the yes, and now we have successfully login our Footy. And then for now I think we don't have any updates, so because this first install and all the updates already updated, so we're gonna go to our Vesta Control Panel. Okay, this one. So just go to vestacp.com and then you can click. So they have quick launch on AWS also. Okay, so but now I do it on manual installation. So just go to install. So this will the supported OS, at least 512 RAM, 20 gigs and 1 gig. So I think we have, and then we have a 1 gig RAM already on our pre-trier and 30 gig RAM on our, and then we have already connected to our SSH. And okay, now we are on the next step 2. So gonna copy that and paste. Okay, and then step 3, run the script. So using the bash command. So just go to sudo, then okay. So they said please remove the admin group. So for that you need to sudo group del then admin, so that the admin group on the installations on our EC2 and Ubuntu server will be deleted. Then enter. And then after that removing the admin group, we can now to proceed for the installation or the running the script. So sudo bash, and then the script, what is the script is the bst install. So put enter. Okay, so uh, we have now success, and go to the installation, continue. So we have successfully, and now this will be the following installed on your Vesta panel. So this is all the application. Would you like to continue? Just type Y for yes, and then press enter, then type your email address. Okay, and then please enter your FQDM or host name. So this is my host name right now, but I'm just enter. So if you have a domain name or no, or you can enter that, so they will automatically resolve. We have successfully installed our Vesta panel on EC2. So this will be our login details. So I'll copy and paste it, and then copy this, and then paste on your web browser. Oops. So after copy, so you need to go back again on your EC2, and then go to the security group of your instances you created. So this will be your security group. Okay. Security group, and then security, click the security ID, and then on here you need to edit the inbound rule, and then add a new rule. So just put a custom in the port of the Vesta panel, and then choose your IP, or you can add custom IP. If you want to add the IP of another have an access on your control panel. Okay, so you have two custom port 83 setting, and then if you will press this one, you can access your control panel already. Okay, so for our username is admin, and this will be your password. So admin and then your password. Okay, now we have successfully installed our Vesta panel on our free tier EC2 instances. So this will be for now our successfully installation on our EC2 instances. For our next update on this Vesta panel on our EC2 is on we're gonna get a domain so that we can integrate a domain here and configure the name server on our AWS S3, and we're gonna install some WordPress or any applications. So if you click the app, so you can install this kind of CMS. So we have WordPress, Vestacp, Joomla, Abantecart, PHP, SMF, the WMCS, so Web Hostname Manager. So okay, so we have a lot we can use here using the control panel. So okay, so we're gonna test all this all these applications so that we can check how it's work on our WordPress on our Vesta Control Panel. Okay guys, thank you for today. This is our latest video for now on how to install the Vesta Panel on EC2 instances using the free tier. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe on my channel HBT tutorial for more updates about some pre-source applications you can use on your development or business or anything else. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.